everybody, I'm from the guys. Lesson 1 and voice sound and voice sound. Calves, cats, breaks, stops, bed cheese, lunches, brushes, races, cheese, days, flies, shings, shoes, chains, this is good. His mom is Mary. Is the phone rang. Was raining. There's my children. Those my books. Easy. This is easy because we were late. And lesson 2 and voice out. Chunk, church, charge, challenge, German, Richard, lunch box, fortune, picture, detach, beach ball, ranch, and voice out. Jump, giant, recharge, objective, subject, age, college, beige, choose. Thank you, bye bye. I forget.